Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Do you want to improve your Qur'an recitation? Do you want to learn Tajweed in a simple step-by-step way? Do you want to beautify your recitation and get closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Do you have a wish to learn Tajweed but don't have time because of your busy life? If yes, then Alhamdulillah, we at Al-Huda Online have a solution for you. We are offering a special Tajweed crash course in English starting from Saturday 18th October 2025. This crash course will run for 3 weeks, totaling 6 teaching hours inshallah. Classes will run once a week every Saturday from 11 AM to 1 PM New York time with live interactive sessions. In this course, we will cover the importance of Tajweed, the levels of Qur'an recitation, proper pronunciation of letters, and Tajweed rules such as mad, qalqala, and so much more. The course fees is very affordable. You can pay in full or installments, and Alhamdulillah, your fees will not only cover your learning but will also support our global projects, making it a sadaqah jariyah for you, inshallah. If you want to recite the Qur'an the way it was revealed, and you want your recitation to bring you closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then this course is for you. Don't miss this precious opportunity. Register now by going on to alhudaonlinetajweed.org. Click on courses, then click on Tajweed courses, and you'll be able to find our Tajweed course. Scroll down for further details, and you'll be able to enroll in our precious course. Let's unlock the sweetness of the Qur'an through Tajweed.
اللهم اجعل القرآن ربيع قلبي ونور بصري وجلاء حزني وذهاب همي